Good day, students. You are welcome to biology class. Hi, I'm Awoleye Oluwatoyin, your biology teacher for today. The topic for today's lesson is adaptation. Adaptation. Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, learners will be able to 1. Explain what adaptation is in relation to mode of life of an organism. 2. List types of adaptation with an example each. 3. Explain why organisms succeed best in their own natural habitats. And 4. Recognize the importance of adaptation. Key vocabulary words and meaning. Camouflage. It is something such as color, that is concealing coloration, or shape that protects an animal from attack by making the animal difficult to see in the area around it. Mimicry. It is the superficial resemblance of two or more organisms that are not closely related. Hibernation. It is a state of sleep and greatly reduced metabolic rates that enable certain animals to survive prolonged period of low temperature and food scarcity. Migration. It is when an animal moves from one area to another. Estivation. It is a period of inactivity seen in some animals during long period of heat or drought. Introduction. Plants and animals lived in the wild for millions of years. In order to do so, they developed adaptations to increase their chances of survival. Many living organisms had to develop adaptations in order to successfully survive and succeed best in different habitats or their own natural habitats. Then the question is this: what is a habitat? And name the different habitats that you know. Response. Habitat is a naturally dwelling place of a living organism. Example: forest, grassland, desert, marine, pond, etc. Then, what is adaptation? Adaptation is the process of adjusting in behavior, physiology, or structure to become more suited to an environment. That is, it is a process by which an organism becomes fitted to its environment, enabling it to live successfully and to reproduce. The features that become changed or modified in the process are known as adaptive features. And when we talk about adaptive features, it has to do with the features and the function. These features may be structural, physiological, or behavioral. The term adaptation came from the Latin word meaning adapto, meaning I fit or adjust to. Living things are adapted to the habitat they live in. This is because They have features that help them to survive. We will go on break now and we'll be back shortly.